Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we will learn how to make online Polo DVR. So stay with me and let's begin.
We have a DVR and we have connected it with an Ethernet cable. And you can see its display with one camera. Press start menu. Press settings. Press network. Press TCP IP. Turn on DHCP. Press apply. Press NAT. Select it and press apply. And you can see NAT status is successful. Open the Polo Live Plus app in your mobile. Press add button. Press on three dots. Press scan QR code. Scan the QR code from NAT settings. Type the username and password of the DVR. Press save now. And you can see DVR is connected now. Press play button. And you can see the camera on mobile screen. You can add the DVR to your mobile in another way. First connect the mobile to the same router. I am going to delete it. Press add button. Press three dots. Press LAN search. And you can see IP of the DVR. Select it to add it. Type the username and password of the DVR. Press save. DVR is connected. Press play and you can see the camera in your mobile.